Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi to magra-resonate sa lahat kasi, hindi naman to personal reading. But if you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Okay? Again, this is for Virgos, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Let's start your reading, okay? For Virgos, please, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, ano yung messages for Virgos? For Virgos, please. For Virgos, please. Okay. Okay. For Virgos. Okay. Judgment is here. Three of Cups. Three of Swords and King of Swords. We do have here Three of Pentacles. Okay, Virgos. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Cups. There's this energy na parang yung iba sa inyo, I can see kung paano ka magbigay ng pagmamahal mo sa isang tao, sa kaibigan, sa katrabaho. Once na na-attach na sa'yo, I can see you giving your everything. Like, lahat ng pagmamahal, pag-iintindi, pag-unawa na kaya mo ibigay sa kanila, ginagawa mo yun. Pero once na, the Ace of Pentacles is here. This is like you giving everything, giving itong maybe offers mo sa kanila. Kumbaga, lahat ng kaya mong i-offer, ibinibigay mo. Time, efforts, etc. Pero once na ma-realize mo na hindi worth it yung pagbibigay sa isang tao ng ganito, ng effort, ng pagmamahal sa kanila, whether katrabaho, kaibigan, or what, ganun ka rin kabilis magkuha nung kung ano yung mga binigay mo. Parang, hindi bali na lang, sige, wag na lang. Diba? Kung wala silang pakialam, kung baliwala sa kanila, baliwala sa kanya, wag na lang. Yeah? This is you with a Chariot. This is how fast you can let go. Once na mag-let go ka, once na mag-move on ka, mabilis para sa'yo. Okay? And there's this Four of Cups, which is parang hindi ka pa masyadong sure regarding this new beginning with the Ace of Wands. Maybe may kinalaman sa career. Maybe there's disappointments with the Five of Swords. Pero for now, with the Two of Pentacles, nakikita natin ito yung pinapriority mo. Gusto mong maayos to. Masyadong magulo, pero gusto mong maayos. I feel like with the Six of Cups, nandun yung gusto mo yung magkaroon ng balance, pagtutulungan. You are a very loving person with the Queen of Cups. No? Pero minsan yun yung nakakapagpahina sa'yo. Kasi I feel like with the Moon, this is yun na parang nararamdaman mo sa isang tao kung ano yung nagiging emosyon niya. So, once na may kausap kang tao, minsan doble, triple yung pakiramdam na nararamdaman mo. So, kung nakakasakit ka, alam mo sa sarili mo nakakasakit ka eh. Hindi mo kayang manakit ng iba. Parang ganun. But, anyway, I don't know kung makaka-relate ka dun sa mga nabanggit ko. Pero kung hindi ka makarelate 100%, okay lang. Anyway, nakikita natin there's this person na nagkakaroon ng realizations with the Judgment. This could be a person na nagulat sa mga nangyari, sa mga ginawa, na parang ngayon nare-realize niya kung ano yung mga ginawa niya, kung ano yung mga nangyari. And then with the Three of Cups, this person wants reconciliation. This person wants reconciliation. Okay. With the King of Swords, parang gusto niyang ayusin kung ano naman yung mga pagkakamali na ginawa niya sa'yo. And with the Three of Swords, this person is punong-puno ng pagsisisi. Nasasaktan siya sa mga nangyayari. And with the Three of Pentacles, nakikita natin na nagkakaroon ng growth actually. Growth because sa realization nitong taong to. Like, there's this angel number 333. Okay? By the way, ang number 3 sa tarot reading, sa tarot deck, 4 lang. So, 3 itong nagpakita sa'yo. This is an angel number for you. 3, 3, and 3. And actually, sa numerology, number 3 is like growth, no? And kung ipagpa-plus mo yan, 3, 6, 9, number 9 sa numerology is parang pagbabalik sa pag-iisip ng mga nakaraang ginawa, actions, and then doon may pagkatuto, may naintindihan niya na kung ano yung mga nangyari, kung ano yung mga dapat gawin at hindi dapat gawin, and sa susunod in the future, ano yung dapat iwasan. And then, this person is nakikitaan natin ng energies na ngayon, ginagamit niya ngayon yung utak niya. No? Kung siya yung nagkamali, dapat siya yung humingi ng tawad with the judgment. Parang siya yung lumapit. So, this person wants to say sorry, wants to ayusin kung ano man yung mga naging magulo sa inyo. Like, this person wants reconciliation. And then, itong pangyayari na ito is maganda, na nangyari dahil para magkaroon ng growth. Kasi kung hindi mangyari ito, hindi magkakaroon ng growth eh. You know what I mean? Hindi magkakaroon ng advancement, growth sa something. No? So, there's this person who wants to come back. This person wants to come back, wants to say sorry. And I feel like para ipakita rin yung emotions niya ng sincerity para sa'yo. Okay? Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Virgo. Four of Pentacles is here. We do have here the Temperance. Eight of Swords, Three of Wands, and the Hangman. You are a very patient person. Alam mo yon, kayang magpigil with the Eight of Swords, with the Eight of Swords. Very grounded with the Four of Pentacles. I don't know, alam mo parang this is not common Virgo traits na nakukuha natin. Kasi may nakukuha akong mga Virgos na perfectionist, like napaka-sassy nung energy, pero you are different. Nakikita natin yung pagiging kalmado at tahimik mo na tao. Maybe you are tahimik in a way na ayaw mong pinapakita masyado yung emotions mo. May mga Virgos din na ganon. But this one, with the Three of Wands, I feel like yung pagiging kalmado mong energy, yan yung mas magiging malayo yung mararating mo because of that. And also with the Hanged Man, you are very patient. Temperance, Hanged Man, these are like patient cards. Kahit nagkakagulo na sa paligid with the Five of Wands, you are the High Priestess. Diba? You are the High Priestess. Hindi ko alam kung may mga chinita or chinito ba sa inyo or singkit. Yeah. This could be a reading. I can see this kind of energy wherein ganun yung mata. Okay lang kahit hindi, guys. But, with the Three of Wands, I can see you preparing for something. Merong iba sa inyo na Virgo na may pine-prepare, inaayos, hinahandaan. And tell me about this Three of Wands, please. Tell me about this. Someone here is may pinaghahandaan. I'm gonna take this. Hindi ko kunin tong mga nasa itaas na ganun. You do have here the Major Arcana Magician. And tell me about this, please. Tell me about this. And yeah, may pinaghahandaan in the future. Maybe may kinalaman sa entertainment. Or maybe may kinalaman sa social media. I can say social media energy. And in the future, yeah, you're really looking forward na masimulan or maaksyonan. Ito, actually, this is also an angel number 3. So, angel number, numerology number 3. So, number 3, nasabi ko na it's about growth. So, maybe meron kang pinaghahandaan na may kinalaman sa growth in the future. And, yeah, this is about a new beginning. There's number 1, new beginning. Pero, Three of Swords, nandito sa likod. So, maybe for now, you are affected by your emotions kung bakit hindi mo pa masimulan ito. Or might be, hindi ka pa fully ready. Yeah. But I feel like, you are protected. Diba? Napakaganda ng energy. O yan, especially the number 5 is your Roman numeral number 5. So, ito ay big change. No? Yung number 5 is sa numerology, big change ang ibig sabihin nun. Oh, regarding the number 4, which is a numerology that is stability. Okay? So, anyway, so yung iba may kinalaman sa career. Tell me about this. What will be the outcome nito mga taong may pinaghahandaan with for Virgos, please? May kinalaman sa mga taong may pinaghahandaan. Tell me about this. Spirit guides, angel guides. What will be the outcome here? I'm gonna take this. Okay, you do have here the 10 of Pentacles. Oh, napakaganda. Kung ito ay may kinalaman sa career, kinalaman sa growth, if yung iba sa inyo something to do with social media or something na mysteries, mysteries like, or spiritual for some of you with the Magician. Maganda magiging outcome. The 10 of Pentacles is money, 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 money. Napakaganda. You will be helping a lot of people. You will be inspiring them. No? Yung iba sa inyo, this is also fame. So, you will be famous in the near future. With the Page of Cups. And the 9 of Swords. Okay? So, let me clarify this. I feel like for some of you, may mga ituturo. For some of you, so may nakuha tayo ng ganun, mga maybe tutorial or may mga tuturuan na maybe younger person, younger people, or kung sino itong medyo immature or I feel like these are the people na tutulungan mo or tuturuan mo. Nagpapakita sila as the sign of as the Page of Cups, which is hindi nila kayang kontrolin ng kanilang mga emotions. Maybe these are your followers for some of you, kung ito ay may kinalaman sa social media. But with the 9 of Swords, I can see a lot of problems coming from these people. And nakikita natin yung malaking tulong mo. Especially nagpakita kanina is the Hierophant, that is a card for like pagtuturo or teaching. So, kung nakaka-relate ka doon, maganda yung nagiging outcome. But let me clarify what's with the Nine of Swords and the Page of Cups, please. Ayan. There would be challenges. Okay. The King of Swords, King of Wands, and Tower. For some of you, kung gusto mo ng growth, you need to end something. Maybe ang pinatutungkulan nito is if you're a businessman, businesswoman, the King of Wands is here. Ito naman na may kinalaman sa mga may mga negosyo. Or maybe self-employed. I don't know. So this person. Okay? This is someone na may mga negosyo dyan. You need to end something here. Lalo na kung nagkakaroon na ng problema with the Nine of Swords dahil sa kaimaturan ng isa. Nagkakaroon ng, ito yung challenge na nakikita natin. If you want growth, if you want money, you need to release this. You need to get rid of this. Kailangan mong tanggalin, tapusin. Ito yung challenge. So, maybe, for you Virgo, challenging para sa'yo, especially nga, you are the Queen of Cups. You are affected by your emotions. Diba? But if you want growth, yun yung nakikita natin kailangan mo gawin in the near future. So, clarify the Ten of Pentacles. Mamaya kukuha tayong konting messages pagdating sa love. Four of Cups is here. And Five of Cups. Yeah, I feel like kung hindi ka sure regarding something or someone, pag na parang kailangan mo ng pagbabago talaga although masakit or makakasakit ka, especially with the Three of Swords, this is like emotions na nakakasakit. So, kung gusto mo ng growth, maybe kailangan mo talagang may masaktan. Kailangan talagang may tanggalin. You know, if you want growth, for some of you, no? Ganun yung ibig sabihin. The Two of Cups is here. So, kailangan mong makinig dito sa mga nakikita nating friends or partners or whoever these people that supports you. May mga messages silang makakatulong sa'yo. They know that you are the Queen of Cups. That's the main problem. You are the Queen of Cups. Alam nila yan. And the Page of Swords is like nahihirapan o natatakot kang mag-take actions regarding this. So, yun yung nakikita nating main problem dito. Okay, messages pagdating sa love for Virgos. For Virgos, please. The Death card is here. Clarify the Death card. One more card. May nakikita ako dito. Ito, marami tayo nakikita dito. Yung iba sa inyo, ang daming nai-inspire. Ang daming nagkakagusto sa'yo because of this energy. This victorious energy. You are someone na kapag mapagmalaki, you might be successful already. Pero marami ako nararamdamang energy. Not only one, not only two, maybe three or more na taong humahanga sa'yo. Especially nga if you are this magician. So maybe meron kang in-entertain sa social media or for some of you, okay lang kahit hindi, but ang daming followers ng iba. So, ang daming mong na-entertain, ang daming natutuwa sa'yo, ang daming Regarding sa past, um, it ended already. And nakikita natin na might be you are already happy dito sa ending na ito. Okay, naka-get out or nakaalis ka successfully dito sa matinding emotions na ito with the Ten of Cups. And I told you, you might be a very emotional person. Yan, because nakayanan mo itong malagpasan. So now you are the Emperor. Okay? So maybe regarding the past, there's a total ending. Marami din nahihiya. Yung sabi ko sa'yo, nagkakagusto sa'yo, maraming nahihiya. No? Na lumapit or mag-approach sa'yo. So, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo sa ating reading. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs. I love you all. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.